Assalamu alaikum and good morning. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Let us begin to read lesson number 4, Albert Einstein at school from Snapshot. We have already finished 2 videos of this lesson. Let's begin from the third video. I would request all the students to have the textbook in your hand so you can understand well. If you have any query, question, feel free to write in the comment box given below the video. Right? I am reading from page number 27 and last 3 lines. Let's read. Suppose, said Albert, that I had nervous breakdown. So there is a conversation between Yuri and Einstein. Einstein was searching an idea by which he can get rid of the school, and he got an idea of psychiatry doctor, and he is there giving suggestion to his friend Yuri that if there is if he knows any doctor who can help him to get a certificate, and by that certificate he will be able to live a prolonged life from school, and he will acquire the peace of mind. Right? Suppose, said Albert, that I had nervous breakdown. If I pretend becoming a patient of stress, a patient of excessive tension, right? Patient of nervous breakdown, then doctor will give him certificate, and by that certificate I will be able to get the leave from school. Suppose a doctor would say it's bad for me to go to school. If doctor write down in certificate that it is extremely harmful for Einstein to go to school, and I need to get right away from it, and really I must get rid of that school because I am tired of it. So in nutshell, Albert's idea included a nervous breakdown and doctor that could advise him that school is bad for him and he needs to stay as far as he could from it. Page number 28. I can't imagine a doctor saying that, said Yuri. He says that doctor will not say like this way, because you don't seem to be a patient of nervous breakdown, you don't seem to be a patient of psychiatry, right? You don't seem to be a patient of stress. That's I must try. I will try before doctor. I will pretend to be a patient of nervous breakdown. I will try. I must try, said Albert, to find a doctor who specializes in nerves. I will try to find a doctor who is expert in specialization in nerves, in treating the patient of nervous breakdown. There are plenty of them, Yuri told him. There are many doctors. He hesitated for a moment and then added rather reluctantly, I will ask some of the students if they know one, if you like. Yuri was his close friend. He says that there are plenty of doctors are there in market. I will ask my friends, and if they know anyone, then I will tell you. Oh, will you? Oh, thank you, Yuri. And he was so happy when Yuri told him that he is going to search a doctor for him. Albert Einstein becomes so happy. Albert's eyes were shining. His eyes were shining. Wait a moment, I haven't found one yet. Don't need to. His friend said, seeing his face shining, his eyes shining, says that don't become that much happy. I haven't found single doctor. Oh, but you will. But how optimistic Albert Einstein. He was saying that you will be able to find a doctor for me. And if I do, I don't know, he will be willing to help you. Even if I do get a doctor who is expert in treating the patient of excessive tension, I don't think so. He will be able to help you out. He will declare Albert. Albert was very optimistic person. He is not going to give up. He says that he will sure help me to get certificate. I am going to have real nervous breakdown to make it easier for him. He laughed merrily. He was happy while saying, and he said that he will really become patient of nervous breakdown on the day of visiting doctor. I have never seen you looking less nervous, remarked Yuri. You are very happy. You don't seem to be a patient of nervous breakdown, and I have never seen you happy like this way. A day or two at school will soon put that right, Albert assured him. If I go to school for a day or two, I will really become patient of nervous down, and that will help me to get the certificate from doctor. Let me explain in nutshell. Yuri didn't think the idea was a success because it was merely likely for a doctor to advise something like that. Albert still wanted to give it and try and find a doctor that specializes in nerves. Yuri offered to ask one of his friends about such a doctor. Albert expressed his gratitude. Yuri told him not to have his hope high but little. Albert was all hopeful and positive about finding a suitable doctor that will be willing to help him. He even went to the extent of offering to showcase an actual breakdown to make it seem more real. He was full of hope, and Yuri had never seen him feeling like that. Albert told him not to worry about that because day or two at school would restore him back to his troubled state. This is the explanation of 12. I am explaining each paragraph twice. While I am reading it, I am explaining. Then after I summarize the entire paragraph in nutshell. So you have to pay attention. Okay. Let's go to the next paragraph. Certainly he had lost high spirits when Yuri saw him next. When Yuri came to meet him once again, he saw him really a patient of nervous breakdown. He was under stress. He was very much worried. He was too much sad. He was then in the state of melancholy. He was then in state of sorrow. I can't stand it any longer, he said, that I can't bear my school any longer. I will have to leave my school just now. I really shall have nervous breakdown that will satisfy any doctor. And I will really I will become a patient of nervous breakdown, and that will satisfy doctor to prescribe me to give me a medical certificate. Keep it up. Then said Yuri, keep it up. That's good. Okay. I have found a doctor for you. I have got one doctor for you. You have? Albert face lit up. Oh, you have got a doctor? And Albert's face lit up because he wanted to get rid of the school. He doesn't want to continue that tiresome, boring, monotonous school. Oh, good. When can I see him? He was so happy listening that his friend Yuri has got a doctor, and he was very eager. So he asked question, when can he see him? When he could see him? I have an appointment for you for tomorrow evening. Yuri said, here is the address. Yuri gave him address and said that he had an appointment for him for the next day, that evening. He handed Albert a piece of paper, and piece of paper was given to Albert Einstein of Dr. Anvesh Well. His name was Dr. Anvesh Well. Is he specialized in nervous troubles? Is he special in treating the patient of nervous breakdown, patient of excessive stress? Asked Albert. Not exactly, Yuri admitted. As a matter of fact, he only qualified as a doctor last week. You may even be his first patient. He told him that he is a fresh doctor, and he was a student up till now, and he just got his degree, and you are going to be the first patient of him. You know him as a student? Then I have known Ernest for years. Albert Einstein asked question, you know him well? And he says, I have known him as a student, not as a doctor, but he just got his medical certificate, and he is now doctor. Yuri hesitated for a few moments. He is not good. He is not fool, he warned Albert. Don't try to pretend yourself. He is not that much fool person. He is very smart. He will recognize you very soon that you seem to be, you seem to pretending as a patient of nervous breakdown. So don't try to be smart. Just tell the reality. What do you mean? Albert Einstein asked. Don't try to pull the wool over his eyes. Don't deceive him. Don't try to be hypocrite. What you are, you should tell him. That's all. Be frank with him, but don't pretend you have got what you haven't. You are not patient of nervous breakdown. So don't pretend it like that before him. Not that you would deceive anyone. Yuri added, you are the world's worst liar, and you are the worst liar in the You are the worst liar in the world, Yuri said. Now let me explain you in nutshell. Albert was right when Yuri saw him the next time. He actually seems troubled. By this time, Albert had given up and he actually was expecting nervous breakdown if it continued like this. This would have surely made the doctor work easier. Yuri conveyed to him that he has found just the doctor for him and he has an appointment the next evening while giving him the address. Albert read the doctor's name, which is Dr. Ernest Well, and asked Yuri if he specializes in nerves. Yuri told him he was not exactly a neurospecialist, that he qualified as a doctor only last week. And Albert could even be his first patient. Yuri mentioned that he has known him for a while now and warned Albert not to lie to him because he was very expert doctor. He was very smart doctor. Yuri asked him to be honest and not to pretend to have nervous issue. He immediately mentioned that it was also not possible because Albert is the world's worst liar. Let's see. Albert spent the next day wondering what to tell the doctor. When the time arrived for his appointment, he had worried over it so much that he really was quite nervous. So he just spent the whole day pondering over how to pretend before the doctor, and in thinking that he was thinking that what to tell the doctor, and he became really very patient of nervous breakdown. He spent the next day thinking about all he was going to say to the doctor. He thought so much that he feared that he would actually get a nervous breakdown. I don't really know how to describe my trouble, Dr. Well, he began. Don't try, said the young doctor with a friendly smile. I don't really know how to describe my trouble, Dr. Well, he began. He just went to the doctor. Now he's there sitting before the doctor, now starting conversation with doctor. And the first dialogue he says that, I didn't know how to describe my trouble, Dr. Well, he said. He says that he is in trouble and he is not able to describe his trouble. And doctor says, don't try even. Doctor was very smart. He says, don't try even, said the young doctor with a friendly smile. Yuri has already given me history of the case. Yuri had already given me about your case that you are tired of the school, you don't want to continue your study further and you want to give up the school, and so don't try to pretend what you are not. Oh, what did he say? Doctor, what did Yuri told about me to you? Only that you want me to think you had a nervous breakdown and say that you must not go back to that school. You already told me about you, and he is reporting what Yuri told him. Is that telling to the doctor? He is telling to Albert Einstein that Yuri told him that Albert had a nervous breakdown and say that he must not go back to that school. Oh dear, Albert face fell. Oh, he had already told you. Means Albert was thinking that Yuri already told to the doctor, now doctor is not going to help him out because doctor has already known about him well in advance. He should not have told you that. Why not? Isn't it true then? Einstein told him that Einstein told doctor that Yuri should not have told him about him. And doctor asked him, why not? Isn't it true then? He asked him question, is it not the fact that you don't want to you want to leave the school and you don't want to pursue your study further? Yes, that's the trouble. Now you will say there is nothing wrong with me and you will tell me to go back to school. But the trouble is that now you already have come to know about me. Now you will advise me to go back to school. You are perfect, there is nothing wrong with you and you will not give me certificate so and so. Don't be too sure of that. Did I say? Why are you thinking of yourself? Said the doctor. As a matter of fact, I am pretty sure you are in nervous state about that school. You are in the state of nervous about that school, and that is the reason you have come to meet me. If you would not be, then you would not be there in the state of nervous breakdown. But I haven't told you anything about it, said Albert wide-eyed. How can you know that? I haven't told you anything about it, said Albert. I didn't tell you about your, but you are in the state of nervous breakdown. Wide eye. How can you know that? So Albert Einstein asked him, how can you know that I am there? I am the patient of nervous breakdown. Let me explain you in nutshell so you will be able to understand. Albert went to see the doctor and told him that he really does not have the right choice of words to describe his miserable situation. The friendly doctor comforted him and told him that Yuri had already done it for him. It turned out that Yuri had told Dr. Well the entire truth and how Albert wanted the doctor to think he had nervous breakdown because of school. Albert expressed his displeasure with Dr. Well, knowing the entire truth because he felt that doctor would not help him his now. As a result, he would have to go back to school. Again, the friendly doctor comforted him by saying that his situation was well understood even when he had not told anything about it. Albert was surprised with the doctor's reply and asked him how he got to know all about Albert. The doctor very professionally replied that if Albert weren't really close to a nervous breakdown, he would not be really seeing him. He then inquired about Albert's plan once he get out of the school. That I will explain later on. Because you would not have come to see me about this if you hadn't been pretty close to nervous breakdown. You would not have come to. If you are really happy, then you would not have come to me. But you seems to be the patient of nervous breakdown, and that is the reason you have come to meet me. That's why, said the doctor briskly, if I certify that you have had nervous breakdown and must stay away from school for a while, what will you do? Doctor asked him question. Doctor was thinking about the future of Albert Einstein. If I prescribe you the certificate, if I give the certificate in which I will write that Albert Einstein is in need of nervous breakdown, Albert Einstein in the state of nervous breakdown, and he require a prolonged leave from the school. Okay, if I write down, and even if you submit that certificate to school, but what will you do? Then what will you do? Albert Einstein, I will go to Italy, said Albert, to Milan where my parents are there. Albert wanted to stay with his parents at Milan and he wanted to pursue his college from there. And what will you do there? Doctor asked me, what will you do at Milan? I will try to get into Italian college or institute. I will get admission in college or institute. How can you without diploma? Doctor asked me question, how will you get admission in college without doing your diploma? And in question to that, with reference to that question, he responds, I will ask my mathematics teacher to give me something about my work, and perhaps that will be enough. I have learned all maths that they teach at school and bit more. He added. Even Dr. Well looked doubtful. He told to the doctor that he had one teacher who is teaching him maths. I will take his reference. I will ask him to write down a certificate for him, reference, in which he will write about my expertise in the maths, and he will sure give it. And with the help of that certificate, with the help of that reference later, I will be able to get admission in college right? Let me explain in a nutshell. The doctor very professionally replied that if Albert weren't really close to a nervous breakdown, he would not be really seeing him. He then inquired about Albert's plan once he get out of the school. Albert tells him that he plans on going to live with his parents in Italy, where he would join an Italian college. The doctor expressed his lack of clarity on the subject of admission in the college without a school or diploma. Albert assured him that his mathematics teacher would provide him with a reference good enough to get him in. Albert claimed to have learned all about mathematics that is taught in the school and some more of it as well. We'll continue the fourth video from here. If you have any question, feel free to ask me. You can write down your query in the box given description description box. Inshallah, you will find me to answer your question. I would request all the students to go through this video. Right, this is authentic video. This is the perfect what happen on YouTube, there are many videos but they are not authentic. Sometimes you are misguided by those videos. They are these videos are not that much authentic. They are not sharing the actual part of the textbook. They make their own masala and make a video. So request all the students to go through the authentic video uploaded by your teacher so you can understand it well. Okay, Allah Hafiz.